How to go live on YouTube. If you're interested in live streaming an event, YouTube's live feature is fairly easy to use. First, it's important to note that there are requirements channels must meet in order to go live. These requirements do change from time to time, so double check the live streaming is enabled before doing so. To go live, first go to the profile icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select YouTube Studio. Once you're on your channel's dashboard, there are two ways to go live. First, you can click Create in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, you simply click Go Live. Just below the Create icon, you will see three icon buttons. The middle one is the Go Live icon, and you can also click this to go live. There are multiple methods that can be used to go live. So first we'll look at the Webcam Streaming option. Here you can set the details for your stream. Just like a regular YouTube video, you can create a title for your stream. You can also determine your privacy settings. You can either choose to go live right away, or you can schedule the live stream for a later date by clicking the toggle and then selecting the date and time you would like to go live at. Under Audience, you can dictate if this content is made for children or not, and you can also set an age restriction for the live stream. By clicking More Options, you can choose a category for your live stream to fall under, and you can also choose what audio and video equipment you connect with for your live stream. Once you have everything set, click Next. In this final screen, you can also change the thumbnail of your stream. You can upload an existing thumbnail that you may have, or take a thumbnail picture using your webcam. On the right-hand side, you have a live chat panel where you can view all the comments coming in from people watching your live stream, and you can respond directly in this panel. Once you have everything ready to go, you can click Go Live. To end your live stream, click End Stream. The second method that there is for going live on YouTube is streaming. You can find the Stream tab in the menu on the left-hand side. Just like with the webcam method, you'll enter your details for your live stream. And click Create Stream when you're ready. The streaming method does require you to have a streaming program installed on your desktop, and your audio and video will also be connected to your streaming software. In order to connect YouTube to your streaming software, scroll down to Stream Key, which is under Stream Settings. Here you'll find an auto-generated key that you can then use to connect your program. Click Copy beside the Stream Key, and then go into your streaming software. We're using Streamlabs OBS, and here you go into your settings, which is at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and you'll go to Stream. Under Streaming Type, you can select Streaming Services. Then under Service, you'll select YouTube and YouTube Gaming. Then in the Stream Key field, you can paste the stream key that YouTube provided. Once you have everything entered, click Done. Once you've connected YouTube to your streaming program and everything is set up to your liking, you can then click Go Live in your streaming program. Now this doesn't mean that you've gone live on YouTube just yet. If you go back to YouTube, you'll have a preview of your live stream and you can see if everything's to your liking. This area is the control center of your YouTube live stream. You can alter your stream settings from here. You can look at analytics and your stream health, where you can check how your connection is and if you need to make any changes. At the top here, you can also see how many viewers you have while you're in your live stream and how many likes you have. Once everything is good to go, you can just click Go Live in the top right-hand corner here. And just like the webcam method, you still have your live chat panel on the right-hand side. Once you are done your live stream and you want to access the video again, go back to your YouTube studio. Once you're on your channel dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click Videos. At the top, you'll see 3 different tabs: Uploads, Live, and Stories. Click Live. Here, you'll find a full copy of your live stream, which you can then use to repost on your page and share for the future. And that's how you go live or stream on YouTube. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.